Good evening, everyone. It is December 10th, 2023, and I already went over the weekly outlook, so this will be just the daily plan. I don't think we need to get over to the higher time frame stuff too much. Uh, all I want to say is that tomorrow, I believe all we have is that 10-year auction at 1 p.m. Let me just double check that. Yeah, 101 p.m. the 10-year auction. Other than that, no news. It is a Monday. Now, I do want to note that we have already broken the prior week's high just by a couple points there, maybe 1 point, 2 ticks. We've broken that, trading around the highs for now. So, in general, I'm going to be looking for kind of a buy the dip rotational day, if that makes sense. It's kind of rare for us to get some sort of huge moves on a Monday. Um, with that said, I'm liking the fact that we were able to get a bit of a push up higher above the prior week's high. So I'm going to be looking to buy dips, and I don't really think we'll be majorly pushing above last week's high, also yesterday's high, same number. I think for the most part, we can look to just buy dips. Maybe it trades up to 20 or 25, but I think mostly we can look to this zone. And I don't really think you need anything more than kind of kind of these three levels, four levels, four zones. Maybe if you really wanted to, you could add in this over here, 65-ish. So if you took off the zones, you'd get something like this, perhaps. You know, uh, that's generally how I'm looking at it. Um, so I'll be looking to buy 93, 76s, 65s, and 56s. I think all those are safe buys. Let's go over to the NASDAQ over here. Similar story. However, Globex not taking out the prior day and prior week's high for now. Also notable, that high has been untouched for a while, whereas on the S&Ps it's been broken, that November 29th high. Anyway, this looks like the clear, obvious spot. Support, resistance, 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 breaks through, theoretically, support. Uh, this also key level here for what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, 5 days. So 9:30ish. There you go, right? So either this number here coming down to 930s, 864s, or 800. That's what I'm really looking for. Maybe the NASDAQ, as it is the weaker ticker, you could get a short. Perhaps after they run this high, not really sure. Or maybe just hit it the first time. Above that, not really interested in getting short. I don't want to be shorting it on a break of I don't know, how many days has that been? We established that high on November 29th to now, 11-day range. I will I'll hold off on trying to short the breakout. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Those are the levels. I think I'm going to stick to using the futures levels from now on and just use the cash stuff for the higher time frame information. Um, yeah, so I think Bitcoin's selling off a bit right now. Yeah, there you go. That's a 5-minute chart. Pretty decent wick down. What is that, 1%? Oh my god, 5% move, Jesus. Anyway, I'm a buyer of dips. 93, 76, 65, 56, same numbers we've been talking about for a couple weeks now. Not expecting a major breakout or anything like that unless we do gap up and break the overnight high and all that sort of stuff. So, have a great night. Trade safe.